This video tutorial is an overview of ImmunoLand, Omicssoft's database and interface to tens of thousands of carefully processed and curated data samples related to immune system diseases. These are focused heavily on gene expression microarrays and RNA-seq data. ImmunoLand is primarily focused on comparisons, such as comparisons between disease and normal tissue, or between two diseases, or between treatment and control. Thus, the views tend to be tailored toward analyzing these comparisons. To start, we will click Select Land and choose ImmunoLand 2015. The first view we will see is the sample view, where each sample is grouped by disease category, listed on the left portion of the view, with secondary grouping and colors according to tissue type, as described in the legend to the right. The legend is interactive, so clicking on a legend item will select matching samples in the view. Selecting a group of samples in a view will automatically open the Details window. Here, we can see further information about the samples that were selected. The user can view sample details, project details, or clinical details. These details can be exported as a text file or as an Excel table. Grouping of samples can be changed by clicking the Grouping button on the toolbar. Every view can further be customized by clicking on the Task tab. You can change the grouping levels, alter the scaling to show percentages instead of counts, and even change the details of how the chart is displayed. In each view, the underlying data can be filtered to include only the samples you are interested in. For example, you could filter the samples to display only males with arthritis. You can change the display of filters by right-clicking on a filter name. You can choose radio buttons, checkbox, or string filter. Or you can click directly on the icon to obtain a list of available filter terms. You can reset all filters or clear all filters. There are multiple views for each level of data in ImmunoLand. For example, when looking at the entire ImmunoLand set, there are several pre-configured views for looking at all samples. The default view is the Samples view, but another useful view is the Comparisons view. The Comparisons view displays information about all of the comparisons between samples that are available in ImmunoLand, grouped by comparison type in the legend, and grouped by tissue category. If you select a type of analysis within a tissue, for example, such as treatment versus control in skin, the Details window will display detailed information about that specific comparison. For example, the comparison performed and the comparison type, the model underlying the comparison. Because this is a microarray study, Omicssoft uses a generalized linear model for the comparison. For every data level, there are multiple views available. We encourage you to explore the different views available and configure each option to see how customizable each view is by clicking the Task tab